Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a convenience store. In this video, you will follow a simple and fun story about two friends, Mina and Ken. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Ken want to drink at the first store? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
That class was really long today.
Yes, it was. I'm happy the class is finished.
Me too. I'm so tired now.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, but I'm a little hungry now.
Really? Did you eat lunch today?
Yes, I did, but that was a long time ago. I'm hungry again.
I see. I'm a little hungry too, actually. I didn't eat very much for lunch.
Really? That's too bad. And I really want something to drink. I'm really thirsty.
What do you want to drink?
Maybe green tea or water. Something cold.
That sounds nice. I want a cold drink too.
Where can we get something? Is there a store near here?
Yes. Do you want to go to a convenience store?
A convenience store? Yes, that's a great idea.
There is one near here. It's very close. We can walk there.
Really? Where is it?
It's right over there. Can you see it?
Oh, yes, I can see it now. Let's go.
Okay, we can get something to eat and something to drink there.
Perfect. I want a drink and maybe a small snack, too.
Me too. I want to get a rice ball or a sandwich.
That sounds nice. I really like rice balls.
Same here. They are easy to eat and they are so good.
Yes, I agree. And they're not too expensive.
That's right. Convenience stores have a lot of cheap and good food.
Okay, let's go and see what they have.
Let's go.
Okay, here we are. Let's go inside.
Wow, there are so many things here.
Yes, this store has a lot of things. What do you want to look at first?
Let's look at the drinks first. Where are they?
The drinks are over there, in the back of the store.
Oh, I see them. There are so many kinds of drinks.
What kind of drink do you want?
I want something cold.
How about water? Or maybe juice?
I think I want green tea. I really like green tea.
Green tea is a good choice. I like green tea too.
What are you going to get?
I think I'll get orange juice today.
Orange juice? That sounds good too. It's sweet and cold.
Yes, it's perfect for today. Okay, let's go look at the food now.
Sure. Oh, look, there are rice balls here.
Yes, there are many kinds of rice balls.
This one looks good. What's inside this one?
That one has salmon inside. Salmon is very popular.
Oh, I love salmon. This looks really delicious.
It is delicious. I get that one a lot.
Okay, I'll get this one. Which one do you want, Ken?
I can't decide. There are too many choices.
How about this one? It has tuna inside.
Oh, that looks good. I like tuna. Okay, I'll get that one.
Great. Do you want anything else?
Let me look at the sandwiches too.
Oh, look at this egg sandwich. It looks so good. I love egg sandwiches.
It does look good. It looks really soft. Do you want to get it?
I already have a rice ball. I think that's enough for now.
Okay, I think that's a good idea. What about those snacks over there?
Oh, those are potato chips. They look good, but I'll wait. Maybe next time.
Okay, I think I'm good too. I have my rice ball and orange juice.
Let's go pay now.
Sure, you go first. I'll wait here.
Hello. Welcome.
Hi, I'd like these, please.
Sure. Let me see. 1 salmon rice ball and 1 green tea.
Actually, can I add one more thing? I want this rice ball too, please.
Of course. So that's 2 rice balls and 1 green tea. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all. That's everything.
Okay. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. I'd like a bag.
Sure. And would you like me to heat up the rice balls for you?
Oh, yes, please. Can you heat them up?
Of course. Just a moment, please. It will be about 30 seconds.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go. They're warm now.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
Would you like chopsticks?
No, thank you. I'm fine without chopsticks.
Okay, no problem. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
Cash, please. How much is everything?
That will be 650 yen, please.
Okay, here you go. 1,000 yen.
Thank you very much. And here is your change. 350 yen.
Thank you.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. Bye. Okay, I got everything. The rice balls are nice and warm.
That's great. How many rice balls did you get?
I got 2. I added one more at the last moment.
Nice. 2 rice balls is a lot.
I know, but I was really hungry. How is your orange juice?
It's really good, and the tuna rice ball is perfect for today.
That's good. I'm glad. The rice balls from that store were really good.
Yes, they were. I really liked that store.
Me too. And my green tea is so cold and refreshing.
That sounds nice. But you know what? I also want something sweet.
Something sweet? Like what?
Like ice cream, or maybe cake or pudding, something like that.
That does sound nice.
Do you want to go to one more convenience store?
Another one? We just went to one.
I know, but I really want something sweet. Look, there's another convenience store over there. Can you see it?
Oh, yes, I can see it. It's not too far.
Right. It's just a short walk from here. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. I want to see what they have there.
Maybe they have some nice desserts. I hope so.
Me too. What kind of dessert do you want the most?
I think I want ice cream the most. What about you?
I'm not sure yet. I want to see what they have first.
That's a good idea. Let's walk. It's a nice day for a walk anyway.
Yes, the weather is really nice today. Not too hot and not too cold.
It really is. It feels so nice outside.
Oh, look, we're almost there already.
That was fast. Let's go inside. This store looks a little different from the first one.
Yes, it does. Oh, look at the desserts over there. They have so many.
Wow, they really do have a lot of desserts here.
What is this one? I've never seen this before.
That's a pudding. It's a very popular dessert.
Really? It looks so delicious. I want to try it. Have you tried this one before?
Yes, I have. You should get it. It's really, really good.
Okay, I'll get it then. What about you? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for ice cream. Do you know where it is?
I think the ice cream is over here. Come and look.
Oh, great. There are a lot of flavors here.
What flavor do you like?
I usually like chocolate, but vanilla is also really good.
How about this one? Look, it has both chocolate and vanilla together.
Oh, that's perfect. I want that one. I'll get that one.
Good choice.
Oh, look over there. They have hot snacks too.
Hot snacks? What kind do they have?
Let me see. They have fried chicken and meat buns.
Oh, meat buns. I've never tried the meat buns from this store before.
They're very good. I eat them a lot, especially in winter.
They look so good. I really want to try one, but I think I already have too much food today.
That's okay. I'll get a meat bun for myself.
Okay. Oh, they have coffee here too. Did you see?
Oh, yes. I love the coffee here. Do you want one?
No, thank you. I still have my green tea, but you should get one if you want.
Good idea. I think I'll get a hot coffee.
That sounds nice. Coffee and a meat bun go well together.
Yes, that's a great combination. Oh, and let me pay for your pudding too.
Really? Are you sure? Thank you so much.
Of course, no problem. Okay, let's go pay now.
Sure. You have a lot of things. Ice cream, a meat bun, coffee, and my pudding.
Yes, I was really hungry. I'll go pay now. You can wait here.
Hello, welcome.
Hi. I'd like these, please.
Sure. Let me see. 1 ice cream, 1 pudding, and 1 coffee. Is that all?
Oh no, I also want a meat bun, please. And the pudding is for my friend. I'm paying for it.
Of course. Which meat bun would you like? We have pork and chicken.
The pork one, please.
Sure. And for your coffee, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay. What size? Small or large?
Small, please.
Sure. Would you like sugar and milk with your coffee?
Just milk, please. No sugar.
Okay. Is there anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Okay. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Sure. That will be 1,100 yen, please.
Here you go. 1,500 yen.
Thank you very much. And here is your change, 400 yen.
Thank you.
Here is your meat bun, and your coffee is ready at the machine over there.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please be careful with the coffee. It's very hot.
I will. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Please come again.
Okay, I got everything. Here, Mina, this is your pudding.
Oh, thank you, Ken. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Today was really fun, wasn't it?
Yes, it really was. We bought a lot of things today.
We really did. Let me think about what we got. At the first store, I got 2 rice balls and a green tea.
And I got a tuna rice ball and an orange juice at the first store, too.
Right. And then at the second store, you got ice cream, a meat bun, and a coffee.
Yes, I got a lot of things at the second store. Maybe too many things.
Maybe, but everything looks so good. And you got this pudding for me. Thank you again, Ken.
Of course, that's what good friends do.
You're so kind. You know, convenience stores are really convenient, aren't they?
That's so true. They have everything you need: food, drinks, snacks, desserts, and so much more.
And they are open every day, all the time. That's really nice.
Yes, it is. I go to convenience stores almost every day.
Really? Almost every day?
Yes, about 5 or 6 times a week.
That is a lot, but I understand. They are so useful and so easy to use.
Exactly. You can always find what you need there.
I agree. I really had a wonderful time today.
Me too. I had a great time. Do you want to do this again sometime?
Yes, definitely. Let's go to a convenience store again next week.
That sounds great. Next time, I want to try some different things, maybe some new snacks.
Me too. I want to try the fried chicken next time. You said it was good, right?
Yes, it's really good. You will love it, I'm sure.
I can't wait. I'm already excited about it.
Me too. Okay, we should go home now. It's getting a little late.
You're right. Okay, let's go home. Thank you for today, Ken. It was a really fun day.
Thank you too, Mina. I had a great time with you. See you at school tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Ken want to drink at the first store? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Your support helps me continue creating new videos. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.